Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI image combiner on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website. And after going to the website, what we have to do, we have to create our account on the Vidnoz. And then we have to go to the AI tools option. And then we have to go to the AI image combiner option. So let's click on this. We are going to open this in a new window. As you can see, we have to click on this, and now simply what we have to do, we have to upload our images here. For example, I'm going to upload the images here. Let's choose the images. For example, I'm going to upload these both images like this one, and let's choose this and click on the open. As you can see now this images, I'm going to upload this, click on this. And for combining the image, we have to choose another second image. So I'm going to choose the second image as well. So for example, for that, I'm going to choose this image here. So as you can see, I've choose these both images. So now simply what we have to do, has an option for the combine image now. So we have to click on the combine image now. And after clicking on this, it will combine our image and it create a new version of an image here. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it generate the image. It's up to you internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. In this way, you can create a combined image on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.